If you're looking for a really cool idea to level up your man cave, your home, or even your recording studio, then I've got the perfect thing for you. I just had this really cool neon sign made for my YouTube channel by Y Neon, and I'd also like to give them a huge shout out for sponsoring this video. You can also use my coupon code for a nice discount at checkout. I'll put the link for the website along with my discount code in the video description. Now these neon signs aren't like the signs you're used to seeing in front of stores. These are actually better. These neon lights are made of a durable rubbery material, not glass, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged if something accidentally hits them. Now if you're interested in creating your own custom design like I did, they have a configurator on their website that's super easy to use to customize your sign. You can pick your sign's font, the color when the lights are on and off, the size of the sign, if you'd like a rectangle backing like I have on mine, or it can be cut to shape. They also have wired and wireless dimmers available, and you can also choose it to be waterproof if you need the sign to be outside. Now each sign also comes with the mounting hardware needed to hang your sign. Mounting these are also really easy to do. All you need to do is simply find the spot that you want to put your sign, drill some holes, put in the anchors, screw on the metal mounting posts, and then mount your sign onto those posts. Installation should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. It also comes with a pair of 39-inch chains in case you want to mount your sign somewhere where it's not near a wall. My camera also doesn't do these signs justice. As you can see, my sign has white and green, and the green on this sign is super vibrant, and it looks amazing in darker environments, but can get bright enough to easily be seen in bright lights like it is here in my studio. I keep my sign at 25% when I'm recording because it's much easier for the camera to pick up the brightness, but I can turn it up to 100% and you can see what it looks like. So again, right now it's at 25% and this is 100. As you can see, there's kind of like a haze now around the high-tech and the check. That's why I kind of keep it at a lower brightness. Now, if you don't want to customize one yourself, they have a ton of really cool pre-made design options on their website. You really shouldn't have any problem finding one for any occasion. Before I decided to get my sign, I actually went through all the ones that they had, and I had a really hard time deciding on whether I should get a custom one or just get one pre-made. And like I said before, I will be putting a link to their website in the video description. The sign's designs also aren't limited to just text. They can also make unique logo designs as well, just like the check mark I had them put in my sign. For those types of signs, all you need to do is contact their support team with a drawing of your design and they'll work with you to make that a reality. That's exactly what I did when I made my sign design. I made a little mock-up of exactly how I wanted it to look using Photoshop. I sent the photo over to them. They kind of made a mock-up of their own, exactly how the sign was going to look. They sent it to me. They made sure that I was happy with it, and then they went ahead and made the sign for me. It was just that easy, and they're great to work with. I definitely recommend them. The sign also has some preset display options such as fading and flashing, and you can control the speed at which it does this as well. Now I want to show you the flashing and fading, but I want to make sure that all my viewers are safe. So if you have sensitivity to flashing lights or you have epilepsy, you're going to need to look away from the screen, but I will let you know when it's safe to look again. So I'm going to count down from 3, 2, 1. I'll show the flashing and fading, and then I'll let you know when it's safe to look again. Okay, so I'm going to start the flashing demo now. Look away from the screen. The flashing will start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm done with the flashing demo. You can look at the screen again. Now, in addition to the 3 brightness presets that it has in the remote control, you also have a finer adjustment with the brightness up and brightness down buttons in case you just need to be just a little bit brighter or a little bit less bright. And like I showed you before, for those modes, You can also adjust the speed up and down. And as I said before, you can also decide what color you want the neon lights to be when they're turned off as well. And I opted for them to be the same color as they were on, but you don't necessarily have to do that. So when I turn the LED off, as you can see, the check mark is still green and the letters are still white. So what does everybody think about the new sign design for the studio? I thought it was pretty cool, and I'm interested to know what you think about it as well. Let me know in the comments below. So that's pretty much it for YNeon's neon signs. I definitely love my sign, and I know if you guys pick one up, you'll love it just as much. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself, along with my coupon code. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.